If you work hard, but still feel stuck with money, this might change your life. This is the core idea from Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's not about how much money you make. It's about how you think about money. The book talks about two mindsets. Poor dad mindset. Go to school, get a job, work for money, play it safe. Rich dad mindset. Learn about money, make money work for you, take smart risks. Here's the biggest lesson. The rich don't work for money. Money works for them. How? By understanding one simple thing. Assets versus liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. But most people get this wrong. They buy expensive things, cars, gadgets, lifestyle, thinking it makes them rich. But it actually makes them more dependent on income. Rich people do the opposite. They buy assets first. Businesses, skills, investments. Things that generate income even when they sleep. Another powerful idea. School teaches you how to be an employee, not how to build wealth. That's why financial education matters. Learn how money works. Learn how to invest. Learn how to take calculated risks. Because job security is not real security anymore. Financial intelligence is. And here's the mindset shift. Don't say, I can't afford it. Ask, how can I afford it? That one question forces your brain to grow. At the end of the day, wealth is not luck. It's a mindset. So if you remember one thing from this, don't just work for money. Build systems where money works for you. Because the moment you change how you think about money is the moment your financial life starts to change.